Hello and welcome to Indian Philosophy powered by NextGen Bosch Car Service. This is Rohit Godkar and today we are going to see the revamp job done on a Mercedes GL350. This is a 9-year-old vehicle and as you can see it's not in a very good shape. Ideally it needs to be replaced with a new one and that's what the customer is actually doing, getting a new vehicle. However, they like the utility value of this vehicle and there is some emotional value attached to it as well. So the idea is to revamp it, breathe some new life into it, and that's exactly what we are going to do. However, we have also planned some interesting surprises for this revamp job and so stay tuned, we'll unveil those as the work progresses.
This has a multiple work like body and paint, mechanical, electrical, electronic. So let's look around the vehicle and what all work are there which is need to be done in this car. तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं ये गाड़ी में सबसे ज़्यादा मेजर डैमेज जो है ये यहाँ पे डोर पे और क्वार्टर पैनल पे है और ये दोनों भी डैमेज रिपेयरेबल है, इसे हम लोग रिपेयर करेंगे। इसके बाद में अगर आप गाड़ी का राइट साइड पूरा देखोगे तो गाड़ी पे माइनर स्क्रैचेस है, बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेजेस नहीं है। और यहाँ पे जो मिरर है ये मिरर इसका ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉपर नहीं है, इसका जो ये लेंस जो एडजस्ट करता है ये प्रॉपरली एडजस्ट नहीं हो रहा है, मिरर फोल्ड अनफोल्ड प्रॉपरली नहीं हो रहा है, तो हमें ये मिरर भी रिपेयर करना है। और अगर आप यहाँ पे आगे आके देखेंगे तो इसकी जो हेडलाइट्स है आप दोनों हेडलाइट में देख सकते हैं कि देयर इज़ अ फॉगिंग इन बोथ द हेडलाइट्स। हियर इट इज़ लेस, ऑन दिस साइड इट इज़ मच मोर विजिबल. So we will need to replace both the headlamps because this is not repairable. If you open the headlamp, it cannot be sealed properly as the manufacturer do. Left side में भी similar to right side minor scratches है, ज़्यादा बहुत कुछ damage नहीं है। और अगर आप यहाँ पे पीछे आके देखोगे, यहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा इसका जो लाइकर कोट है ये पील ऑफ हुआ है, तो ये जब हम इसे पेंट करेंगे तो ये प्रॉपरली वापस न्यू फिनिश आ जाएगा इसका। टेल लाइट अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पे ये टेल लाइट क्रैक है, सिमिलरली ये टेल लाइट में भी फॉगिंग हुआ है बिकॉज ऑफ द क्रैक, तो ये टेल लाइट भी रिप्लेस हो जाएगी। तो अगर गाड़ी में मैकेनिकल काम देखेंगे, गाड़ी में सस्पेंशन का काम है। सस्पेंशन में अगर आप देखोगे तो गाड़ी का जो लोअर आर्म होता है दोनों लोअर आर्म का बुशेस कट हो गया है और एक स्टेबलाइजर रॉड और लिंकेज होता है। स्टेबलाइजर रॉड में प्ले है और उसका जो बुश होता है रॉड का वो बुश भी ख़राब हुआ है जिसे हमें चेंज करना पड़ेगा। इसके बाद में इसमें दो मेजर काम है। वन इज़ डिफरेंशियल का एग्जैक्टली क्या प्रॉब्लम है वो हम लोग जब भी गाड़ी ड्राइव करेंगे तभी मैं आपको डिटेल में बताऊंगा कि उसमें क्या आवाज़ आ रहा है, एग्जैक्टली क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है और उसमें क्या करना पड़ेगा। और उसके बाद में एक और मेजर काम है जिसे कहते हैं क्रैंक कॉइल सील। जो बेसिकली क्रैंक कॉइल सील सिट्स बिटवीन द इंजन एंड द गियर बॉक्स और वहाँ से इंजन ऑयल लीकेज हो रहा है, तो वो क्रैंक कॉइल सील रिप्लेस करना इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। उसके अलावा गाड़ी में मैकेनिकल वर्क एज सच बहुत ज़्यादा तो कुछ है नहीं, जो अभी मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया उतना करना पड़ेगा। अदर दैन दिस इलेक्ट्रिकल वर्क में इसका जो पावर विंडो का मास्टर स्विच है वो ख़राब है, जहाँ से आपका जो मिरर का एडजस्टमेंट होता है, मिरर का जो वर्किंग है वो नहीं हो रहा है। सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट विल नीड टू रिप्लेस द पावर विंडो मास्टर स्विच एज वेल। इसके जो इंटीरियर्स में एसी वेंट्स है, चारों एसी वेंट्स के नॉब्स जो है पूरे टूट गए, जिसके वजह से जो गाड़ी चलाता है उसे वो एडजस्ट करने नहीं आता है, तो हम लोग को वो चारों एसी वेंट्स भी रिप्लेस करने पड़ेंगे। जैसे मैंने कहा था कि हम गाड़ी ड्राइव करने के टाइम पे मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि एग्जैक्टली इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है, तो मैं यहाँ पे आपको दिखाऊंगा कि डिफरेंशियल का एग्जैक्टली क्या है इस पे। तो अगर इसे मैं सडनली एक्सीलेट करूंगा इस स्पीड में एक आवाज़ आता है, आप जैसे सुन सकते हैं। तो ये प्रॉब्लम है डिफरेंशियल में और हमें इसे रेक्टिफाई करना है।
The first thing which we started up is taking care of the mechanical work. In that, as you can see, in this suspension overhauling work is in progress. So the lower control arms are getting replaced. We have changed both the lower and upper control arms on both the sides. The bushings in the ball joint in this were completely worn out and that's why it was affecting the ride quality and also the handling of the vehicle. This also resulted in lot of noise when the vehicle went on the rough roads. Replacing this has taken care of all those issues like noise, handling and even the comfort of the vehicle. Along with this, the other suspension bits like the balance rod bushes, the balance rod, linkages were also worked on in order to make sure that we have done a complete revamp job for the suspension. One of the major issue for this vehicle was there was a lot of oil leakage from the engine side. Essentially, this leakage was from the crank coil seal, which is the area where the gearbox is attached to the engine. So the entire gearbox had to be taken down in order to replace this crank coil seal. This was the major job which our team did. Along with the complete overhauling of the suspension and fixing the oil leakage issue for the engine, we also did the complete service of the engine, which included changing of the oil and oil filter, the air filter. Complete AC service was done to make sure that the AC is performing the way it should. One of the other things which I had mentioned earlier was the noise which was coming, that was from the differential of the vehicle. So the differential was also repaired and now it is taken care of. And we don't have that mechanical cranking noise which was there. There were certain electrical items which were also repaired or replaced, like the AC vents, outside rear view mirrors, the electric motors which operates the seat functions. Those were not working in some of the seats, so that was worked on. The power window switches and such other electrical items were also given the due importance when the work was done, to make sure that the vehicle is completely ready.
तो अभी इस गाड़ी का मैकेनिकल काम पूरा हो चुका है और इसको अभी बॉडी शॉप में ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं। जैसा मैंने पहले बोला था कि इसमें सरप्राइज एलिमेंट है, वो है इसका आफ्टर मार्केट बॉडी किट। वो हम लोग इसमें चेंज करेंगे एंड इट इज गोइंग टू चेंज द एंटायर लुक ऑफ द कार ड्रास्टिकली।
सुनील सर, त्या जेलचं काम चालू आहे ना, त्याचं बॉडी किट आपण मागणार होतं, त्याचं काय झालं? एनी प्रोग्रेस?
डू नॉट वरी. मला किशोर सरांनी याबद्दल आधीच कस्टमरची अपेक्षा काय आहे त्या बॉडी किटबद्दल हे सांगितले होते. त्याप्रमाणे ते 15 दिवस आधीच ऑर्डर करून ठेवले आहे आणि ते चांगली गोष्ट आहे की ते आपल्याकडे आले आहे सुद्धा. फक्त एवढाच की ते बॉक्स चेक करण्याचं बाकी आहे.
अरे वा, हे तर छानच झालं, मस्त.
अरे सुनील, वो बॉडी किट का क्या हुआ? कब तक आएगा अपने पास?
आप टेंशन मत लो सर, एवरीथिंग इज अंडर कंट्रोल.
डू नॉट वरी, बॉडी किट ऑलरेडी मेरे पास आ गया है, खाली बॉक्स ओपन करके चेक करना बाकी है.
ओके, तो जल्दी करो, उसका असेंबली विल स्टार्ट विद इन 1 or 2 days.
ठीक है सर, तो मैं कल ही चेक कर लेता हूँ. ओके.
The body kit which we are using here is going to completely change the looks of the vehicle from the model year 2014 to a model year 2018. So it's a complete generation change in terms of the looks. As you can see here that the number of components we are going to replace in the body kit is quite exhaustive. Starts with the bumper, the grille, the bonnet, the headlights, even the bumper elements, the chrome putties, the main grille, the main logo. On the sides, we have the over fenders which are going to give a sportier, much more bulkier look to the vehicle from the sides. Even in the rear, it's quite an extensive change where the bumpers, the tail lights, the bumper elements, the lower diffuser, the chrome, the silencer, the exhaust pipe and its cover are getting changed. When we are doing such a big change in terms of the front and rear looks of the vehicle, it is really important to make sure that everything fits together well. So here we are doing the mock-up of the kit. All the parts, the main components are being assembled on the vehicle. The mock-up is done to ensure that everything fits the way it should, so that after the final painting is done, there will be the final fitment, then there should not be any surprises. So this work is happening right now.
तो अब बारी है दुल्हन के सजने की. तो चलो देखते हैं इसमें क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा. For this vehicle, we have come up with a special paint shade that we have made in-house, and it is a variation of the Nardo grey color. We started with the denting and the body repair part, followed by the putty filling and sanding. This was followed by application of primer and primer cutting. The vehicle is now ready to go through the change of color, and obviously this is going to happen inside the paint booth. As you can see, this is a multi-layered painting process. After the primer, this is the first layer being painted. The Nardo Grey is a sports themed color shade and is primarily used on sport and performance sedans. And since the customer wanted to upgrade the look of the vehicle, and make it a bit sportier than the original, we selected this specific shade along with the customer. Our experienced paint formulation expert has created this paint in-house. After this first layer of paint, 2 more layers were applied. This was followed by application of clear coat, which was the 4th layer. Another layer of this clear coat was applied. So after the primer, in total there were 5 layers that constituted the painting process. The primary color was the Nardo grey, and to contrast it, the plastic bits, the inserts in the bumpers, the alloy wheels and such components were given the glossy black finish to maintain the selected theme. अभी गाड़ी polishing और cutting के process में है, and this will impart the necessary shine and finish that is required. तो अब ये सब process चालू है to get the car ready. मतलब दुल्हन का मेकअप अभी चालू है. Fitting of the body kit and all such components is being done. After this, we'll be taking care of all the interior work and its fitments. In such a comprehensive revamping job, you can't overlook the interiors. The interiors were originally beige and brown themed to match its white color. Here we decided to go for a complete black interiors, which would very well suit the character the car is now being imparted. Since the color of the interior was to be changed, this was going to be quite a comprehensive interior job. We had to completely take all the components down, like the seats had to be removed, which was actually the easier job. But even the trims, the trim boards, the carpet, the roof, the side moldings, the seat beds and its mountings, the dashboard, the center consoles, both at the front and rear, everything had to be disassembled first. The appropriate changes were done, and then each and every component had to be put back in the right way. Like what we are seeing here is a carpet being installed. Looks easy, but believe me, it really is not easy at all. All the creature comforts, the features and various functions of the seats, the airbags and such other systems should continue to operate just like the original. So although it appears not so technical, but it's an extremely skillful and technical job that had to be done the right way.
Now that our vehicle is ready for the delivery, let's dive into the spectacular transformation of this Mercedes GL into a stunning modern beauty. We have incredible updates coming up, so let's look into it. First up, feast your eyes on this spectacular body color. Let's walk around. We have changed it from the regular white color to this head turning Nardo grey, and the difference is like day and night. This is very unique color introduced by Audi and VW Group, which is specially made for its RS variants. But the makeover doesn't stop there. Check out this slick lining and aggressive stance because of the new body kit we have installed. Now this body kit includes many parts, starting from the headlights, both the headlights, this lower grille, bumper and the bonnet as well. So on the side, you can see the over fenders installed in this, which is a part of the transformation kit. And it follows spherical rear wheel also. So another few parts which are installed in the body kit, that is tail lamps, rear bumper and the lower grille. Also the AMG badging, tailpipe tips also are installed in it. So let's step inside and have a look at the interiors. There you have it. This vehicle has undergone a jaw-dropping transformation from the body color, new generation body kit, revamped interiors, along with mechanical works and other electrical works. So let me know how you like this transformation. What do you think of the changes? Let me know in the comments below and hit that like button if you like this epic transformation. To view more content, please like and subscribe to our channel Indian Philosophy.